Magandang buhay mga kabalay. Are you looking for your dream home that is within the metro? With stylish, elegant, minimalist, and designed for comfort just like a condo? Look no more. You are here. Welcome to the Benitez Courtyard. The Benitez Courtyard is an approximately 2,000 square meter, high-end residential community with 22 stylish and elegant units featuring 4-story structure, highlighting condo-like features. It is strategically located along F. Benitez, Barangay Pasadena, San Juan City. Perfectly situated in the prime spot in the city, making it accessible to various significant institutions and establishments such as San Juan City Hall, Santolan Town Plaza, Green Hills Shopping Center, Cardinal Sunos Medical Center, and others. Units are made with elegant and excellent architecture. Every unit is built and designed uniquely. Lot area of every unit varies estimately from 52 square meters up to 96 square meters, while the floor area varies approximately from 183 square meters up to 298 square meters. There are 3 to 6 bedroom units and car parking slot up to 3 vehicles. Selling price depends on the size of the unit and ranges approximately from 24 million up to 40 million and still negotiable. Amazing! The community has 24/7 multi-level security and serene environment, which makes it convenient and comfortable to its residents amidst busy urban life. This community is not only people-friendly but also pet-friendly. You can live with your fur babies. This is so great! If you are a fur parent, this is perfect for you. You can choose a home that fits your budget. Units are various sizes and floor plans depending on your needs and requirements. There are options to fully furnished and unfurnished units. Isn't it great? Watch until the end of the video for you to see the list of the available units to purchase. Now let me show you some of the model units that is fully furnished. Let's go! This is Unit C model. Unit C's lot area is approximately 56.45 square meters and its floor area is around 183 square meters. It has an elegant layout of dining, kitchen, and living area. This has 2 car parking, maid's room with bathroom, 3 spacious bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and a powder room. The selling price of Unit C is around 25 million pesos. This one is Unit E model. It's bigger than the Unit C. Unit E's lot area is approximately 89.56 square meters and its floor area is 298 square meters. Just like Unit C, it has elegant layout of dining, kitchen, and living area. This has 3 car parking, maid's room with bathroom, 5 spacious bedroom, 5 toilet and bath, and a powder room. The selling price of Unit E is almost 40 million pesos. Another one is Unit D model. Unit D's lot area is approximately 82.03 square meters and its floor area is 257 square meters. It has elegant layout of living, dining, and kitchen plus bar countertop. This has 3 car parking, maid's room with bathroom, 4 spacious bedroom, 4 toilet and bath. The selling price of Unit E is 35 million pesos. Last unit that we will show you is the Unit Q model. Unit Q's lot area is approximately 68.58 square meters and its floor area is 233 square meters. It has elegant layout of living, dining, and kitchen plus island countertop. This has 3 car parking, maid's room with bathroom, 3 spacious bedrooms, a veranda, 2 toilet and bath, and a powder room. The selling price of Unit E is almost 34 million pesos. That's at Balay. Here are the list of available units to purchase. For more inquiries, dial the number you see on the screen. If you want to see more real estate videos like this, subscribe now to our social media. Thank you for watching.